Okay, so it's Monday the 25th of January, and here we are with the morning maths answer video. Question number 1, add 72 to the following numbers. Well, if we start with 45 add 70 is going to be 115, 15, and if we add another 2 to that, we get to 117. So 68 add 70, so 68, 70, 130 is 138. But we're not adding 70, we're adding 72, so therefore we need to add another 2 more. So 38 add 2 is 40. So the answer for that is 140. 94 now. 94 adds 72. Well, 90 add 70 is 160. So 94 add 70 is 164, plus 2 more, 166, 166. And the final one, 124 adds 72, 124, 194, so 194, but that of course is if we add 70, but we're adding 72, so therefore the 4 becomes a 6, so 196 for that. Now let's have a look at the ones for question 2. Question 2 is take 92 away from all of these numbers. Now the first one, 97 take away 92, is of course just simply 5, and if you're not sure, think about 92 add 5. 92 add 5 is 97, so therefore we must be right. Now the next question, 342. If we add 90, we get to 432. So 342, 432. Oh no, we're taking away. Oh, careful. Right, so 342 take away 90 is going to be 252. And then we take away another 2, so therefore we are just left with 250. Yeah, that's correct. Next question, 463. Well, if we take away 90, we will get 373. Yeah, that's correct. But we need to take away another 2, so it's 371. Okay, 582. Take away 90 is going to be, well, I tell you what, for this question, let's do it, let's take away the 2 first. So 582, take away 2 is of course 580. Now take away another 90 and we get 490, and it's gone on to a different line, so 490. So that's the answer for the rest for question 2. Now question 3, I'll just get a pen for this one. So question 3 is multiply these numbers by 10. So if you remember, when you multiply by 10, anything in the ones column is now in the tens column, anything in the tens column is now in the hundreds column, anything in the hundreds column is in the thousands column, and so on. So therefore, if we multiply by 10, we get 130. 12, if we multiply that by 10, we get 120. 34 changes to 340. Notice what happens. What we're doing is we're getting exactly the same digits, so a 3 and then a 4, but everything is moved 1 column to the left. 45 becomes 450, and 56 becomes 560, and that's it. Okay, and now, okay, continuing then, the next question is 12, you add £12.34, so let's put the pound sign in, to 234 pence. Well, if we think 2, 3, 4, then if you're not sure where to put the 2, does the 2 go under the 1, does it go under the 2, does it go here, or does it go here? If you're not sure, then just start with the ones column. So this means 4 pence, so therefore that's going to go in the pence column. 3, that's 30, that's 3 lots of 10, so that's going to go in the 10 pence column. And then 2, the 200, well, 200 pence is £2, so that goes in the pounds column like that. Okay. And then what do we have to do? Oh, we have to add, so that's okay. So now 4 add 4 is 8, 3 add 3 is 6, and now the decimal point has to come down here to show us the change between pounds and pence. 2 add 2 is 4, and then 1 just comes there. So the answer is £14 and 68 pence. Okay, moving on to question number 5 now. Right, 85 millimeters, take away 3.5 centimeters. Well, we could put the 85 millimeters into centimeters, but I think it's better if we change the centimeters into millimeters. So 3.5 centimeters, well, 3 centimeters is going to be 30 millimeters, so we need a 3 in a tens column. And half a centimeter, well, 1 centimeter is 10, so therefore half a centimeter has got to be 5 millimeters. So now the question becomes 85 take away 35. But if we took away 5, we'd be left with 80 millimeters, and if we took away another 30, we are left with 50 millimeters. So the answer is 50 millimeters. And if you think about it, that is the same as 5 centimeters. So there we go, 5 centimeters. And finally, the perimeter of this, what we've got to do now is to find the perimeter of this shape. So we've got a question mark for this vertical line and a question mark for the horizontal line. So if we work out the horizontal line first, let's have a look at that. Now, to work out the horizontal lines, we can only use the horizontal lines. So we've got a 3 there, and we've got a 5 there. So therefore, this must be 8. And now, to work out, let's use a different colour pen, let's use a blue. Now, to work out this blue line, we've got that vertical line, we've got that line, and we've got that blue line there. Now, if we think about it, we've got 3, which is the total, and then we've got, so that's 3, and then we've got the question mark, which is at the top there, and then we've got the 2, which is there. So therefore, the question mark must be equal to 1, which is there. Okay, so now to work out the perimeter, all we do is we put a blob in a corner, and then we have to add up. So from here, we go along here, that's 8, up there, that's another 2, that's 10, another 3 is 13, a 1 there is 14, 5 is 19, and a 3 is 22, which is different to what I've got down here. So what have I got? Right, that is wrong. So right, okay, so I think I'm right, 22. Let's do it again. Let's go this way. So starting here, 3 add 5 is 8. This blue line is 1, so that's 9. This red line is 3, so that's 12. Down here is another 2, that's 14. And across here is 22. So the perimeter is 22. So yeah, that's correct. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.